Wait, can you please tell the crowd what you're gonna do?
It's my mom and dad's anniversary. My mom bought this for my dad. He loves chocolate. I want one really bad, but he didn't get into it yet. So what I was gonna do was open it and then put the wrapper back, like a little cotton ball in there. So
Oh, that's really smart.
it's rude though. Look at the seal.
Oh, you don't want to break the fucking seal.
Can't break the seal. It's terrible.
She told me she was gonna clean out her car, and I felt like that was a great opportunity
To show them what my car looks like.
to show you how disgusting she lives her life.
Okay, you think you're so fucking dainty.
And she cannot blame this on children because
Yeah, you can.
no,
You should
your
do what
car.
you did.
I have a picture pre-baby Olivia. This was
You
2000.
do?
Oh yeah.
You have a picture?
I have a picture pre-baby Olivia of your car when you had the edge. Okay, first of all, disgusting, like absolutely disgusting. Look at this, look at this. Gatorade. This is the back seat. But guess what? Her car was just like this and she didn't even have a baby back here about 4 or 5 years ago. Olivia made that yesterday in art class. Didn't even take it in to show her father. Really rude. Oh, I wonder how it is back here. So, you know, honestly though, like this isn't, I have seen it worse. So it's like this video is not that great because I have seen it way worse before. Like this is kind of like nothing, to be honest. Usually she has like bananas in here, rotten bananas, some kind of rotten fruit, wrappers.
You know what though? I do feel a little bit more rich
Rich.
wearing this. Do you know what I mean? I think you're so cool. You need to get on my level.
What level? Dirt level?
I'm gonna start a GoFundMe.
For to get your car cleaned every
No,
month.
to get some work done. Not on my car either.
Oh my god, you just sprayed my fucking knee.
I did. Katie, let's go shopping.
Where do you want to go? Remember when you yelled at me for doing it manually, the zoom up?
Yeah, it fucking pisses me
I kind of
off.
like doing that though.
Don't, dude. My skin's terrible.
I've seen it worse.
It's so dry.
Well-
Because I've been using that bleaching cream.
Under your butthole?
It burns.
Or just, you know, take it out, pat it out.
Cat what out?
Do you not see your driver's mat?
Yeah. Because I live in a dust bowl.
Oh no, the vacuum. No, I'm scared of the vacuum.
You can just put like full music over it. Wake up with your girlfriend. Look at eyelashes and shit. It's beyond this point right now. It's beyond this.
Yeah, you should have done. Oh my god, I think that
Oh, do you see how discolored this seat is?
discolored.
It's like I'm a smoker or something. They got fucking Cheetos up here. Look at this.
Wait, let's see.
Quality content. His hair.
That's so fucking disgusting.
There's more rocks in a fishbowl. Literally, it's like fishbowl rocks. Eyelashes.
That's so humble of you to clean your own car.
Who has
Your
money?
beauty influencer cleaning her own car.
Should be your fucking title in the
Clickbait.
beauty influencer cleaning her own car. So humble.
It's so humble.
Who has money to get it fucking detailed though? Like,
Mom's gonna be mad you're using that.
I open a new pack too, whatever this is.
Wow, 99-cent store.
It's the only thing we can afford. I need to get a magic eraser on this shit.
You need to.
Whoa,
you need
look
to
at that.
life-
It's really hard work, okay? You gotta really get in there. Don't take no for an answer. Kind of like James Charles. What the fuck is this white shit? That's what I want to know.
Whoa. How much sand came out?
Fucking Sandman.
Better than a vacuum?
Oh. The vacuum got none of this. Look at that.
Thank you, palm trees.
Look at all that dirt.
Was that you making that noise? Oh, I thought it was like something was entering the atmosphere.
No, that's what that sounded like too though. Something happened again.
Oh, so that wasn't you?
Do you see all this?
Yeah, I do. Damn, that's like, you're gonna cause a dust storm.
Like, when is it gonna stop? Someone's got a hardcore Harley.
What's thunder?
Oh, it's thundering. Yeah, it is.
I can hear it.
I think it's me starting the thunder dust.
Yeah, you are adding to the storm. When's the last time you watched that?
3 years ago.
When you got your car?
Yeah.
That's incredible that you have that.
When did it end?
Look how disgusting this dirt. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh my god, it's thundering and I'm scared. Let's count it. Aren't you? Oh, was that lightning you count?
No, yeah, you count lightning.
See?
But it barely looks like I did anything.
No, no, no. Let's.
I need to.
It's rolling. Rolling thunder.
Rolling Loud. You know that music festival?
No. What about Rolling Rock, like the beer?
Does anybody drink that?
People do.
Really?
Pretty big hit at a bar.
Did you show this?
I did. It's absolutely disgusting. Oh, it's the back of the seat?
Yeah, I know. She kicks it. Any mom would know.
Oh, she's really trying to get at it.
It's actually not that bad. Let me rev my car.
Nice. Eat it.
Oh, there's all this hair. I don't know where that came from. Probably Penny.
Or your pussy. Your pubic hair.
Don't act like you don't have any. Do you think you go to Laser Away? Do you think you have money for Laser Away?
I
I don't
just-
have very thick hair. I'd show you, dude. It's thin.
Mona Lisa.
Yeah, dude. Didn't she have a picture of her pubes somewhere? Didn't she have her nudes somewhere?
Oh, laser away on your butthole? Do people do that? I'm sure they do.
For sure. That's probably
it's
where
like-
they get all their money for. You gotta have toys on deck. I'm gonna go to the other side, bitch.
See you there.
Am I almost done yet, or what? Looks like I did absolutely nothing.
You wanted to get this lipstick.
Is that from me today, or you?
Obviously that is from you and I don't know when. Oh, Jesus, you're spraying the splash zone. Oh, over my toe.
You're the one who wants to fucking film me detailing my car.
So humble.
Have you ever got a clip like that?
You have.
Looks like a guy with no teeth. I donated
Clothing?
makeup to that women's shelter thingy.
Oh, it's so nice of you.
Humble.
Very humble.
Oh, there's like a bug. Oh, my stomach.
Why didn't you do all that
Lucky.
change?
Do you have room for change in your car?
Why wouldn't you keep that?
Wait. Why would I
What
keep
if you need
change?
it?
It just gives me anxiety in the car. I want everything. I need everything up here very, very, very clean because I have my clean watch now. Gotta be clean person. I want to be human so bad. This stuff has sticky. Whatever this is, it's sticky on here.
Ew, what did you do to it?
I've done something good, dude. Oh my gosh, I don't think this ever looked this clean. Ever. Like, not even when I got
Even when
it.
you got it?
I like to drive in sport mode.
How does that make you feel?
Actually, pretty powerful.
What's it do?
I don't know. I feel like it makes my car, like, drive cleaner.
Oh,
Like,
do you really?
Yeah, I do. It's, like, faster and, like, I can switch
Oh.
lanes better.
Do you race people?
My face problem. Only, like, when I see
Other RAV4s?
other RAVs, and then when I see people in Lambos, I flip them off because I have a way better car than them. But remember when I did flip that guy off? In my Maserati sports car. You know?
Look at that behind. She's just...
I'm done. Like, I'm starting to hurry up, you know?
Yeah, you're starting to slack off. Now look how clean it is down there now. Okay, what did we find?
Costco.
Oh my god. And you had the aluminum that is so gross.
Yeah, it's
the
in
wrapping.
Mm-hmm. Get used to it. OJ's glove. Isotoners. There's Pimp My Ride. Exhibit did not come, as you can tell.
No, he did not help you out.
But you guys did. So give me a thumbs up. And go ahead and subscribe. Oh, you still want me to go? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Be a part of the fam. And if you need me, I'm looking for a side job. If you need me to come clean your house or your car, I'm here.
Slide into her DM. Just a little bit of vacuuming changes the world. You know that feeling?
It really can
How good does it
change
make you
everything.
feel to have a clean car?
Okay, I'm gonna feel like I'm on top of the world.
Cloud 9.
Cloud freaking 9.
Proud of you.